Hello students. So some students say that sir, please explain this question. So in previous video I said that from my side your all topics of class 10th first chapter is complete. So this video is for only your problem class. So we have to take the three questions that's problem given by from your sides. So first question: if A, B, C and D be a positive rational numbers such that A plus root B is equal to C plus root D, then either A equal to C and B equal to D, or B and D are squares of rational numbers. Either this case और दिस केस. सो दिस इज रैशनल, ये हमें प्रूव करना है. सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड. सम स्टूडेंट्स से सर हाउ वी सॉल्व इट. नो, आई नो समथिंग डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस. सो टेक फर्स्ट केस. इफ A equal to C, if A is equal to C, so what is given? A plus root B is equal to C plus root D. That is given. So you can say A equal to C. So you replace, in the place of C you can put A. A cancel out. Root B is equal to root D. That means B is equal to D. Means if A is equal to C and B is equal to D, होना कंफर्म है. If A is equal to B, so B is equal to also D. But second case, if A is not equal to C, suppose that A is greater than C. If A not equal to C, it's a two case, either A greater or C greater. So we take, suppose that A is greater than C. You can take C is greater than A, that's your choice. So if A is greater than C, that means A is equal to C plus something, anything we can write X. So what's the given? A plus root B is equal to C plus root D. That is given part. So in place of A we put C plus X. C plus X plus root B is equal to C plus root D. C cancel out. Here we can find any one value, either root B or root D. So we can find the value of root B. So root B is equal to D फाइंड कर लेते हैं, इजी रहेगा क्या मतलब माइनस करने से. तो स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, you know, if you take squaring both side, so D is equal to X square plus B plus 2 root BX. First see, this part is very clearly. If you are in doubts, so first thing pause the video and see only this part. So I also you have pause the video and note down. So remember the class when we prove that the numbers is irrational, we separate the rational and irrational part. So here irrational part is root B. According to the concept की root number है तो irrational होगा. So we separate them, all them. 2 root bx, b minus x square minus b, that is root b d minus x square minus b upon 2x. doesn't matter क्या इधर है उसका मतलब नहीं है. Main things root b and this, and we know that if I say this is rational, so it's not possible it is equal to irrational. That is assumption, contradiction. Irrational is not equal to rational. but it's given that that is rational. If this is rational, so if this is rational, that means root b is a rational number, because this is rational. So root b is also rational. If root b is rational, so when the root number is rational, when, so b is a perfect sorry for inconvenient. So here b is a perfect square. If b is a perfect square, so why? Root b is rational number, so when root b is rational number, so you can say b is perfect square, because if we take the example root 8 to root 2 is not a rational number, because 8 is not a perfect square, but root 64, 8 rational number. Why? Because 64 is perfect square. 36, 6 rational number, because 36 is a perfect square. So same things, if root b is rational number, so b is a perfect square. That means, so either a is equal to c and b is equal to d, or b and d are perfect square. Okay, there's a condition. So we do the next problems is facing from your side. It's a unique question on the topic of SCF and LCM. Might be possible it's not come in any times board examinations, but for your knowledge, if you ask, so I tell the solutions of the question. Find the least number which when divided by 8, 12, 20 and 36 leave remainder 6, 10, 18 and 34 respectively. At that types of question, when the numbers, that is 8, 12, 20, 36 and the remainder 6, 34. So 8, 12, 20, 36, 6, 10, 18, 34. These are the numbers and these are the remainders. If you see all the cases, in all things have the remainder difference. Difference of remainder is 2. 8 minus 6, 2, 12 minus 10, 2, 20 minus 18, 2, 36 minus 34, 2, all 2. That means this is types when the difference of the numbers and remainder is same. So required number is equal to LCM of the numbers minus 2. 2 what means difference of the remainder. So what is LCM? LCM of 6, 10, 8, 12, 20, 36. What is LCM? That is 12 cancel out. 36 means 3, 2, 5, 36, 0, 360. You can check the LCM. 36, 360 is the LCM of the given numbers. So required number, that is the 360 minus 2, that means 358. Okay. If the remainder difference of the remainder to the numbers are same, so you can use required number LCM minus the difference of the remainder. Difference of remainder and numbers. Okay. One more question. Same types of question. Find the least number when divided by this, remainder this. Same, find the greatest number of 4 digit, which when divided by this, 11, 15, 21, 28, least remainder 5, 9, 15, 22 respectively. If you see numbers 11, 15, 21 and 28. Remainder 5, 9, 15, 22. Difference between numbers and remainder. 11 minus 5, 6. 15 minus 9, 6. 21 minus 15, 6. 28 minus 22, 6. Means in all the cases, remainder and number difference is 6. That is same. So, we use again the logic. Required number is equal to LCM minus 2. So, first we find the LCM of 11, 15, 21 and 28. So, the LCM of 11, 15, 21 and 28 is equal to 11, 15, 21 का 3 पहले से ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे है, 28 के लिए 7 है, 4 के लिए लेंगे तो 33, 20, 140, 33, 0, 43, 2, 46. 4620 is the LCM of the given numbers. So, again, what is the answer? If only the simple question, what is the least numbers, that is the answer is 4620 minus 6. 4620 minus 6. But here something different. The question want find the greatest number of 4 digits. This greatest number is not for HCF. The greatest number of 4 digits, which divided by this gives remainder this. So it's a 4-digit number, but not a greatest number. So greatest number of 4 digit divided by 11, 15, 21 and 28 is equal to, if we take here 4620 into 2, what you get? 0429. If 4620 multiplied by 3, 0, 6, 8. This is a 4-digit number. Because the number is divisible by this, it is also a multiple of this. So multiple of this, 4620, 1 this, 2 times this, 3 times this. We want 4-digit number, so we take this. That is the greatest 4-digit number, which is divided by this, divisible by this. So that is 9240 is the greatest number of 4 digits. So we want, give the remainder, this also. So required number 9240 minus 6, that is 9234 is your answer. Same process in both the cases. If the remainders and the number difference is same, so first you find the LCM, then subtract the common difference to the LCM. Okay? Pause the video and note down.